How to correct business name in CAC. So you must watch this CAC business registration video before you start any kind of CAC business registration at all. A lot of persons have asked for this, and finally I got time to share and to publish this video. So if you're offering CAC business registration as a business, then you even need this video more than other people. This is another CAC registration video that you want to see, especially if you are either trying to register a business or you have a current CAC query issue that you're battling with, or most especially if you're doing CAC registration as a business. That means you are doing it for other businesses. But before I start, let me say this. Do you know that you can actually earn between 10,000 naira to over 50,000 naira every day by helping millions of businesses in Nigeria register their business with CAC? Now, I have an announcement for you just before I end this video, so make sure you watch every second of this video. Now, I have received more than 1,000 questions and queries from people about CAC registration, queries, issues, and just all manner of inquiries. So I sat down and I tried to find the easiest ways to help you guys, and I came up with two options. Number one, I'll keep publishing short explanation videos like this one, maybe every week if I have the time, to address new issues. But you guys have to also support me by liking my videos and make sure you share them on your social handles so that I can continue to have ginger to publish more videos. You guys can see that my videos are always straight to the point and they are clear, and that's because I spend hours and hours editing my videos, unlike what other people just put out there and they just mix things up for you. Now, I'll tell you the second way I plan to help you guys deal with CAC issues later in this video, so keep watching. Now, let's quickly go to what I want to show you guys in this video. So let's assume that you registered a business, but you notice that you made a mistake in the business name, or maybe you registered a business name. Now CAC approved the name for you, reservation, and when you go ahead to register the business name, you got a query, something like this: please qualify your business name properly, or anything that appear close to this. Or there are even other instances, maybe you made an error or you omitted some letters, or your client decided to change his or her mind to use another business name. Meanwhile, you have reserved this business name, or maybe you have even registered this business fully. Now, you can actually change your business name in CAC and you can correct these issues, and it's very simple. Let me show you the step-by-step process to fixing any problems like this. First things first, log into your CAC account. Now, I'll be using a client account to do this, so your own might not be a query necessarily. It could just be that you want to change the name or some aspect of the name, or maybe you just omitted some letters or you want to add some letters. Don't worry, they are all almost the same process. Now, there are three things you need to get ready before you start fixing these issues. Number one, now the new name that you want to use now, you have to make sure you get that ready. Number two, you need to get the old name that you want to change. You need to get it ready also. That's the name you registered. And then number three, since the old name already has been reserved, it means that that name already has an availability code, so you will also need to get that availability code ready. If you don't know where to get this availability code, just come here to the reserved option and click it. Now, I expect you to have just one name here though, but if you have more than one name, as you can see, then you can identify the particular name that you're trying to correct, and then you click on it. So here is your availability code. Go ahead and copy it out and save it somewhere, just as you can see me do here on your screen. So once you have these three particulars ready, we can now start. Come back to the home dashboard. Here, click the name reservation button, just as if you want to reserve a new business name. Here at classification, click the drop down arrow. So here, make sure you choose the appropriate classification. So it's a business name registration for this very account I'm using, so that's what I'll choose here. If yours is an LTD, just choose the company option, and if yours is incorporated, trustees, limited partnership, or whatever, just go ahead and choose the right option. Now, this account is a sole proprietorship, so I'll select that. You can choose your own. So here at option 1, this is where you want to put the new business name that you have already modified or edited. So here at option 1, this is exactly where you want to put the new business name that you have already modified or that you have edited that you want to use now. You understand? So I'll do that. Now leave the second option here blank if you like, and just click save and continue. Reason for availability search. Now you have to listen attentively here. Now, if you have been trying to correct a business name that has already been registered and approved, I mean you already have your CAC certificate issued to you, then you will choose change of name. But if all you have done yet is just your name reservation and you have not registered the business fully, that means you have not been issued a certificate yet, then choose name substitution. Now, this account was queried, so I'll choose name substitution because it has not yet been registered, but it was only approved for reservation. Alright, so here at search by company name / availability code, here you should type in the availability code of the old name that you are trying to change. So I already copied it out, so I'll just paste it in here. Now, it is expected that once you add this code, CAC database should be able to recognize the whole business name that is associated with the availability code, just as you can see here. Now, if something is wrong, then it will show error message, but it should not if you did everything right. So again, here once the code is confirmed, your business name will automatically appear here at company name. Now, if your own business has already been registered and you have your certificate, just come here and type in your RC number. It is always there on your certificate, but for this account, we don't need it since this business is not yet registered fully. So I'll leave it blank, and here again make sure you select the correct nature of business category, and here select the best possible specific nature of business. Okay, so this additional remark is not compulsory, so I will leave it blank and I will save and continue. Alright, so again you want to look through this entry and be sure that everything that you have inputted is done very good. After that, just click save and continue. So as you can see here, you will again have to pay another 500 naira for another reservation. So I'll just go ahead and do that for this one. Okay, so my payment has been done successfully. And if you're doing this for anybody, you might want to download the receipt if you like. So as you can see here, the reservation is pending. You will have to wait again for CAC approval. And once it is approved, if your case is that of a query, you can just click the query button and then click the query resolved button and your new name will be effected. And also, if you're trying to change an already registered name, the name will also be effected. So this is how to carry out name change in CAC business name registration. So I promise to show you guys the second way that I want to help you fix your CAC issues, especially if you are offering this CAC business registration as a service and then you're making money from it doing it for other people. Now, do you know that helping businesses carry out CAC registration is one of the easiest ways to make money from the comfort of your bedroom? Now, I personally believe that the easiest way to help you guys to successfully carry out your CAC registration, both for yourself and especially if you offer this as a service, is to kind of create a community for you guys where you can ask all your questions and then I can help you. So I am also compiling a course that teaches you guys how to start this CAC registration business and other registrations like tax identification number registrations and stuff like that. Trust me guys, this is going to be one of the best things that will happen to you guys this year once I release this course. So if you are dreaming of working from home or you want to start a confirmed side hustle without spending 1 naira, I think you should learn these things and do it for people. I mean, there are countless businesses in Nigeria that will happily pay you to help them do these CAC business registrations. Now, the course is not out yet, but I have started building a community of people like you, where after you got the course, I will be actively helping you guys with any of your CAC issues while either doing it for yourself or doing it for your clients. So if you're interested in joining this group while you wait for the course to be out, then click the link in the video description and I will be waiting for you in that group. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more amazing things like this, and then please support me by liking this video and share it on your social media handle. Thank you, and I'll see you in the group.